In this video, I will demonstrate a simple way to view your blocked list on Snapchat. Please watch the video in its entirety to avoid any errors. First, open the Snapchat app. Once it is open, tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Once the settings are loaded, scroll down to the Access Control section and tap on Blocked Users. This will display a list of all the users you have blocked on Snapchat. If you wish to unblock a user, simply tap on the X icon next to their name. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on Yes to confirm. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please give it a like.